Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking two essentials: that you have the owner or admin rights and that external sharing is permitted in your tenant. Once done, pick the sharing method: direct invite, shareable link, or granting folder/site access, because each controls permission granularity. Make sure you know if recipients require an Office 365 account or just a Microsoft account. This affects access flow. Now, open the file or library in OneDrive or SharePoint. To begin the actual share, you now select precise permissions: view only to preserve content, edit when collaboration is needed, or an expiring link for temporary access. Once chosen, narrow scope: specific people, anyone in your organization, or anyone with the link. Choose specific people to keep control. Make sure to toggle block download if you must prevent copies, and set an expiration date when temporary access is required. Then add a clear message explaining why they need access so recipients understand expectations. You finish by sending the invite or copying the link and confirming the recipient can open the item. Ask them to report errors immediately. Once complete, review permissions in the file or SharePoint settings and check activity logs to confirm access happened as intended. If something goes wrong, first verify tenant external sharing policies and guest user status. Then reissue a new link with broader scope or clear browser cache. A quick reshare often resolves transient permission mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.